Good evening mga ka-working mom. Habang kumakain, pag-usapan natin ngayon ang usual na ginagawa ng mga teachers this weekend. Sigurado nag-check ng test paper yan. Yung iba siguro, nagko-compute na ng grades. It's not easy to become a teacher. I was a teacher also for more than 20 years. Ang pinaka-challenging doon is yung the ratio of teacher to learner. Once na nag-handle ka na ng more than 25 learners in one class, medyo challenging na yon. Pag sa grade 1, okay pa kasi maybe yung sa discipline. Pagdating sa discipline, medyo okay ang grade 1. Parang madali pa silang i-control. Pero ang very challenging is if you are handling intermediate, grades 4, 5, and 6. And then, usually mababait naman ang mga bata, pero hindi maiwasan mayroon at mayroong pasaway. And with the different learners' right and protection na pinapatupad ngayon, talagang ingat na ingat ngayon ang mga teachers sa bawat sinasabi, sa kilos, and in decision making kasi nakataya ang kanilang trabaho. So the best way na lang is to always keep yourself calm and then be kind always. It's a fact that as a classroom teacher, you have the power, but make sure that you will have that power with love, the power to control unruly learners, but make sure na mayroon ka pa rin love. There is an art and power being a classroom leader or a classroom teacher. So that's all. Happy weekend.